We are Norchem, a sign of excellence, dedication, and progress. What makes Norchem stand apart from the rest? Our tried and true service commitment. Our customer care management team knows the importance of quality customer care. With solution-minded service personnel located all over the country, if there is an urgent production concern, we will seek out a solution as fast as possible because we understand the importance of staying on track with your operational needs. All service calls consist of the following. A customer care rep will monitor inventory of new Hayes wash chemicals. They will test the water quality, train plant operators on chemical safety handling procedures, and will conduct swatch tests to measure and track the cleaning performance of our chemical. Norchem technicians have further optimized the production process by programming washer formulas and injection configurations to reduce water, energy, and chemical usage for laundry operators. Norchem's Norflow Wind fully automated chemical dispensing systems are engineered to be the most reliable liquid dosing systems for plant operators that are held to the highest quality standards and smallest margin of error. Some chemical program offerings include New Phase Pro, leading wash aisle detergent program, Alcapon, the latest laundry detergent program at less cost, and Cold Clean, a low-temperature alternative to hot wash detergent programs. Our Advanced Textile Care division has made tremendous strides in wash and clean technology for all laundry markets, and we have spent years perfecting our textile care solutions. We understand the difference we can make by providing consistent quality service to our customers because your success is our success. Norchem is a reliable partner for all your wash chemical needs from start to finish. Norchem, your challenge, our solution.